Rahul Mahajan's 4-month marriage to Dimpy Ganguly is already on the rocks, but it doesn't come as any surprise to many. He has been abusive even in his first marriage, and even though he claimed to have reformed, his recent actions have shown us how empty those promises were. Now, does this man deserve another chance, or should he be locked up because domestic violence just cannot be condoned?
नहीं, ऐसे कई समाज में जो है उनके एक के बाद दूसरी शादी भी करते हैं, लेकिन इनके साथ कुछ खास, राहुल के साथ कुछ ऐसा ही हो रहा है और समाज में भी एक गलत मैसेज आ रहा है।
पूरी पीछे से हिस्ट्री देखें राहुल की, तो उस हिसाब से ये कहना कोई नाजायज नहीं होगा कि राहुल ने जरूर डिम्पी पे हाथ उठाया होगा, क्योंकि हमने पहले भी सुना है उनकी वाइफ से रिलेटेड और जो भी और लड़कियां उनकी लाइफ में आई कि उन्होंने उनके ऊपर हाथ उठाया है।
So is there a pattern to Rahul's conduct when it comes to women in his life? Who's the real person behind that goofy smile? Rahul Mahajan's previous marriage with friend of 13 years Shweta Singh went downhill real fast, especially after allegations surfaced of physical abuse.
कि सर्विस नौकरी छोड़ दे और मेरे साथ बॉम्बे में रहे, फिल्म में काम कर, तो इन बात पर उनका झगड़ा हो जाता था।
And now just 4 months into his second marriage, Dimpy is complaining of the same. What is wrong with BJP's strongman Pramod Mahajan's son?
We would probably call it like a sociopathic personality in which there is a lot of insecurity and frustration that an individual gets out of his life. He internalizes that. He does not get good coping strategies to be able to deal with that. And then it comes about in these kind of maladaptive manners.
Rahul has reasons for being frustrated. His career as a pilot was short-lived and his tryst with politics was finished before it could even take off.
Where should I go?
Some are whispering about the interesting parallels with the movie Provoked. Aishwarya's husband subjects her to domestic violence and his drinking problem is at the root of it. Coincidentally, Rahul Mahajan also in the past has made headlines for alleged drug addiction. Can his problems be traced to the tragic murder of his father by his own uncle?
And when that stress gets completely internalized, it comes out in different maladaptive manners. One of the ways that it came out with him was getting into addiction of substances, which was very unfortunate. And then to deal with that, he was also getting into relationships which were unstable.
There are those that say Rahul's behavior carries signs of the obsessive controlling male. Just like Mel Gibson, Rahul is suspicious of the company his wife keeps. He probably keeps close tabs on her time, movement and the people she meets. Dimpy may not accept it yet.
I need some time alone to recover and think about it.
But chances are she is in an abusive relationship. With Bureau Inputs, Polami Saha for Headlines Today.
Well, that's all we have for you in this special. Many thanks for watching. Up next is Headlines Tonight.